Today we are checking out the RedRock Armor Upper Replacement Grille with LED off-road lighting in matte black for the 2009 to 2014 F-150s, but excluding the Raptor. If you want to give your truck a more aggressive front end, add some auxiliary lighting, and boost the airflow across that radiator, then this upper grille from RedRock is definitely worth checking out. The key features of this grille has got to start with this integrated LED off-road lighting, and it comes with 6 built-in LEDs that are mounted right into the grille for rugged style and better visibility in those rough conditions. Because these are built into the grille, they look much cleaner than the aftermarket light bars that are hung across the bumper or up on the roof. Next, the design is meant to increase airflow compared to the factory grille, which helps that engine cooling by letting more air reach the radiator core. The grille is injection molded from ABS plastic using OEM CAD data, which ensures a precise fit and a nice and easy install. And if you stick with me, we'll show you that install here in a minute. This matte black finish gives you a stealthy, aggressive aesthetic, and you can also paint it if you want a custom color to match your build, or add a nice contrasty pop up front with color. It's a true upper replacement style, not an overlay or anything like that, so it installs in the place of that stock piece. The wiring for the LEDs is made to splice into the factory harness, making retrofit easier, and we'll show you that wiring here in a minute in the install section. When it comes to the construction on this, RedRock uses that ABS plastic material that's known for durability and the ability to resist impacts and road debris over time. The grille is molded with OEM level fitment in mind, so the mounting points line up perfectly with the factory brackets. The LED housing is integrated into the grille structure, keeping things low profile and very protected. The LED and the wiring harness are weather sealed, and the included wiring is designed to splice smoothly into the factory connections without needing any major rewiring. The matte black finish helps mask scratches and wear over time, and the overall build balances durability with a nice clean appearance. As far as the pricing goes on this grille is coming in right around that mid $200 price range. For what you're getting here with the added lighting, style, and even cooling benefits to the radiator, it's a solid value if you want to change up the look and the function of your front end with just one simple piece. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in just 1 hour of your time. So let's head on out to the shop, and we're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you will need a 3/8 ratchet, a 8mm socket, 10mm socket, a T25 Torx bit, and an adapter, along with a pair of crimpers. Today we're going to be installing a grill on our F-150. All right, to get our grill off, we have a couple 10mm screws and nuts going across the top. We have one over here on this side, but they're in the same general area going all the way across. Using our 10mm socket, we can get these off. And the other one is just on the side of this pillar. Once you get these off, you can now repeat for the other side. All right, we have one more 10mm on the bottom right here, followed along with a couple T25s. So we're going to take this off and then repeat for the other side. Again, using our 10mm socket. And once we have that off, we're going to repeat for the other side. And we have a couple T25 Torx bits going along the bottom here. Using our T25 Torx bit. And once we get those out, now we can repeat for the other side. Now that we have all of our screws loose and our hardware out, we can now pull on the grill forward and it'll pop out. Now we can get our new grille lined up on the top tabs, get it mounted in. Now we can secure our top screws going along the end using our 10mm nuts. Get that started on there. We can get our nut started on the inner one right here. And one more in the middle. Now we can tighten this down using our 10mm socket. Once you get those tightened down, you can now continue down and repeat for the other side. Now we can get our lower support back in and lined up, and then we can insert our 10mm screw. Get that started, and tighten it down with our 10mm socket. Once you get that tightened up, you can repeat for the other side. We can install our T25 Torx screws back into the bottom. Using our T25 Torx bit. You don't want to put too much pressure on this because this is plastic. And once you get these installed, you can now continue down to the other end. Now to connect up our lighting wire, we can go down along the hood, across the top here, across, and then down the bottom here, and then run it along our engine bay into our fuse box, but we're not going to be doing all that for demonstration purposes. You can do so, just keep any wires out of moving parts. So we're just going to lay this right here for now, and then we're going to connect our fuse tap. All right, now we can connect our positive wire, our red wire, to our fuse tap. So we're going to take the provided fuse tap and insert it into our connector and get that crimped down. Once we have our wire crimped down, we can now insert our fuse tap into any fuse location that's a key on position. We are removed a 15 amp fuse from here, so we're going to insert it back in there. And now we can connect our negative onto any ground position in the engine bay. For our black wire, our ground, I'm going to add a length of wire onto it to extend it over to the battery. So we're just going to get our connector crimped on. And now I can route this over, make sure it's out of the way of any moving parts, directly to our negative host. Using our 8mm socket, we can loosen up the nut. Slide it on our connector, and tighten this back up. That wraps up our install for RedRock Armor Upper Replacement Grille with LED off-road lighting in matte black for 09 to 14 F-150 excluding Raptor. Just remember, for everything F-150 related, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.